Hello and welcome everybody to this brand new episode of ITWU Knows, ITWU Shows. Today I will show you the 3 key benefits of our tool for automatic signature generation for IBM Notes and Domino emails, ITWU Simple Signature. If you want to see these benefits for yourself, you can download the free of charge trial version of ITWU Simple Signature right now. But for those who want to stay tuned, let's get started. The first benefit of ITWU Simple Signature is that your employees do not need to spend their time in creating their email signatures by themselves and keeping them up to date. Now, as we go into my Notes mail file and open a new mail, you instantly see my mail signature containing my very own email address, my mobile phone number, and so on. If we opened another employee's mail file, we would see nearly the same signature, only with other contact information. Without ITWU Simple Signature, if I wanted a signature containing my individual contact data, I would have to create my own signature within the preferences of my Notes client, just like every one of your employees would have to do. With ITWU Simple Signature, you can create one or more signature templates in a centralized place within the Simple Signature application and assign them to one employee, a group of employee, or even mail-in databases, meaning collective mail files like sales@itwu.net. So ITWU Simple Signature automatically takes the signature template which is assigned to me, fills these wildcards with my contact data from the Domino directory or another corporate directory, and pushes it to the signature field in my preferences. The personal contact data in the signature is updated on a daily basis in case I get a new mobile phone number or a new position. So there's nothing left for me to do in order to get my very own individual email signature. The second benefit are the various design options for your email signature. As you can see in my signature, we have integrated our logo and links to our Facebook and Twitter accounts into the signature. With ITWU Simple Signature, you can create the signature templates either in a rich text field within the application or in a form within the Domino Designer. Therefore, you can adjust your signature to your corporate identity with graphics and formatted text. In addition to this, you can also add an automatically generated QR code to your signature, configured either as a web link or as a V-card, so that the recipients of your emails can easily save your contact information on their smartphones or tablets. Now, as we go back to my new mail, we can see the QR code down here and also an invitation to a trade show. Now, this invitation is what we call a signature add-on in ITWU Simple Signature. And it gives me the opportunity to automatically add specific information on a restricted, timely basis to our signatures. Besides information about current events, the add-ons can also announce new products or promotions of yours or send seasonal greetings to the recipients of your emails. So with ITWU Simple Signature, you can not only adjust your signatures to your corporate identity and add automatically generated QR codes, you can also turn your signatures into free marketing platforms. And so we get to the final key benefit of ITWU Simple Signature, which is the MultiSignature feature. Now let's imagine I'm working in our purchasing department and writing lots and lots of emails to potential suppliers that do not necessarily need to know my full contact information, like my mobile phone number. With the MultiSignature feature, I can choose between different signature templates that are assigned to me. So in this case, I have my default signature, which includes my mobile phone number. But every time I send an email to a potential supplier, I just click on Signature and can change my signature to every other signature template which is assigned to me. In this case, it's this signature without my mobile phone number. The MultiSignature feature is also very helpful if you're working in different departments or for different sub-organizations of a multi-corporate enterprise. You can always choose between different signatures depending on the email you want to write or the recipient you want to send it to. So this is it. As I said in the beginning, if you want to put these features and benefits to the test, you just need to visit www.notes-signature.com and go to the download section. There you will find the free of charge trial version and lots of additional information within the documentation and the datasheet. Now, if you have any further questions on ITWU Simple Signature, you just give us a call or send us an email. But for now, I'll say thanks for your attention and see you soon on the next episode of ITWU Knows, ITWU Shows.